Master's Art. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Maureen White. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple painting exercise that helps you think in new ways and new possibilities. This exercise would be good for people who are really accomplished artists, those who are just beginning out, or people that just want to play around with paint and have some fun. So I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please hit that like button. And I'd love to know which of the two paintings in the video you enjoy the most. And you can leave that comment down below. I really appreciate you being here, and now I'm going to get started with the video. So you sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm putting down 2 pieces of 9 by 12 heavy drawing paper, and the reason for that is I had nothing larger, and I really wanted to paint a piece of some size. So I am just picked random colors, put them on my palette, and away I go. I'm really working hard not to think about this or to make any judgments about it. Just put the paint down all over the paper, just go with your intuition. That's what I'm doing. Hopefully it'll turn out. I'm sure it will. Oh my, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna do another one because I wasn't sure if I should have thrown in the kitchen sink on the color. So I'm just going to use now with the second one some blue and orange and white and just limit myself that way. But again, I'm not judging anything. I'm trying just to be really free, relaxed, and enjoying myself. It is a lot of fun and not have to worry about anything except for getting that paint down. It's really good. Now I realized I deleted the clip that shows you how I cut these 3 by 3 squares out. You can decide to cut your paper in any dimension, but the 3 by 3 I really wanted to work with. I like the square format. And you just randomly start putting these all over the paper to come up with a good composition that you like. And I finally decided that I would choose a format of 4 squares. So I'm trying to look for 4 squares that seem to make a nice composition together. And then I just keep taking out the other ones. You just play with it. It's really a lot of fun to see what you can come up with. The possibilities are almost endless. Well, kind of endless. Anyway, and in the next, when I do cut the other painting, I do have that clip, and those I cut, I think, into 2.5 by 3.5. So here are my 4. I think these are, I'm almost got it here. There they go. Now this is the 2.5 by 3.5, and I won't even use all of the paper. And this one I can get, ultimately I'll be able to get 9 of the rectangles on. And again, I'm just playing around with it, and it really, like I said, I found it quite enjoyable, and it really helps you develop your eye for composition and possibilities. I did have trouble when I start to glue this down because I used Elmer's on this one, and actually there was too much moisture in it, and it made the papers curl up. I was not happy with that at all. I really struggled getting them down. So what I did in the format of 4 squares, I remembered I had some adhesive spray, and that works so much better. You have none of that curling or wet paper syndrome. And I took a picture of that for you to see. That's the spray adhesive I use. It's very easy to put on, and it's actually much faster.